Hello and what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel and you're watching Miguel EDC, right, where we go and talk about everything knife and EDC gear. Today, guys, I'm so excited. We're going to be unboxing yet another Spyderco knife. As you can probably tell from the title and thumbnail of this video, guys, we're going to be looking at the Spyderco Para 3, right? This is the smaller brother to the PM2, right? If you haven't already watched the video on the paramilitary 2, make sure to check it out. I'll put a card right here on the top as well. If you haven't checked out the video on the smock, right, make sure to check it out as well, right? So these are the two knives that we're going to be comparing this guy to today, right? Keeping it in the Spyderco family, right? The Spyderco ecosystem for some very fair comparisons. So right out of the box, what do we have? By the way, this box with the black and red going on and the gold Spyder logo right there. It's very iconic. Out of the box, of course, we have the knife itself. Let's put that over to the side for a second. We have a Spyderco nice Edge is a ghost sticker, all right? And then we have some product and information warranty guide. Very nice. You read through that, get yourself educated on the knife that you're buying, of course. And yeah, even a nice little foam and everything, right? Look at them going the extra mile, right? I haven't opened any knife yet in my whole arsenal where there is a foam like this one, right? I think other folks do like some sort of bubble wrap and things like that, but Spyderco is going the extra mile here. I mean, you can expect that for the price you're paying. Speaking of price, by the way, affiliate links will be in the description. I did get this guy in the camo skin here, and it came in at $161 or so after, well, before tax, right? So links will be in the description. Make sure to check them out. They do help out the channel, but that is totally up to you. It does have a 2.95 inch blade. All right, we're gonna take a look at that, and again around $161 or so. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive into it because I am just so excited. Boom, here it is, guys. I did get it in the G10 camo. I was really debating between getting the Para 3 or the PM2. I wanted one of the two to be in the this military scale, so I opted for going black G10, obviously on the Para 2, and the Para 3 is gonna be this nice military here. So what do we got, right? What do we got? So boom, let me go ahead and open it a couple of times so you guys can hear the acoustics on this guy. Guys, we're looking at, again, G10 military camo handles. We have, just like on the Para 2, we have CPM S30V, which is a heck of a steel, right? Spyderco and logo right there on this side, and on the other side we have some signatures, I believe from father and son. I could be wrong, let me know in the comments. By the way, Spyderco has a very interesting story. I've seen many videos on how you know, the founder started the company, his son kind of grew up in the business as well. So if you haven't checked that out, I'll probably drop a link in the description as well so you guys can look into that. Golden, Colorado, USA, Earth, right? So this knife is made on planet Earth, believe it or not. We still don't do Amazon Prime from outer space, so that's good to know. I mean, yeah, other than that, that was a very lame joke, I know. Compression lock, just like the Para 2, right? And I mean, you could just open and close. Of course, I'm a Spyderco newbie right now because these are my first set of Spyderco knives, if you can't tell. But yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna get used to that compression lock. It's definitely different than all the other mechanisms that I've used, right? It's just like a liner lock, except it takes place right here in the back of the knife. So you kind of push this lever right here, right? And that allows for the blade to swing one way or the other. So you could, you know, open with a flip of the wrist like that, or close it, right? You can also use your thumb right here, right? So you open it like that with the proprietary Spyderco circle, right? Open it like that, boom. So solid, you guys. And of course, you have to do the spider flick, right? There's a spider knife after all. Boom, I think they revolutionized the whole Spidey flick. Boom, like how that opens right away. All right, there's no getting it wrong. I mean, I guess I don't want to jinx it, right? But look at that. Boom. The fire's like, oh, see, I told you I was going to jinx it. Boom. I mean, I can tell the quality right out of the box. I mean, you do pay quite a, significant price, if you will, compared to other budget options out there, right? You do pay quite a bit of money, $160 some. The paramilitary 2 was $170 some. So, keep that in mind. But I mean, the quality is there. I could tell Spyderco, they do a very, very thorough quality check when it comes to these guys. Pocket clip, we have a not so deep carry pocket clip, about this much of the knife is going to be sticking out of your pocket. I do have a solution for that, by the way. I did get these deep carry pocket clips off of Amazon. They were like around $8. I'll drop a link in the description for you guys to check those out. Again, affiliate links do help out the channel when you use them, but that is totally up to you. So the idea there is that it's going to help make the knife a little bit friendlier to the pocket, so more of the knife can hopefully hide into your pocket rather than just show. So I'll be doing that during the review, of course. I'll do that, carry it like that, and obviously by the time you see the review, I'll talk about that, right? The difference between the default pocket clip and the aftermarket one. This one does have the Spyder logo on there. The fact that you can opt for tip down or tip up carry, I think that's pretty neat right there. So this one came tip up, which is really, really interesting. So it came by default, right, on the tip side. So we'll call that tip up. Whereas the, I want to say, Para 2 came by default tip down. So the clip is here, but the tip is down here, right? So it came tip down. So at some point, I'm going to switch them over. I definitely like to carry my knives tip up, right, rather than the tip down. But you could do either or, right? The preference is yours. You could switch. Even on the other side, you have the holes ready to flip that however you want. If you prioritize your lanyard right here, right, you need a hole right there in your knife, right? You got a big one right there. Other than that, I mean, I'm super excited for this guy. Again, you guys know the drill. I'm going to be carrying it for about 2 weeks, right? EDCing it for all the tasks that I use a knife for. Nothing crazy, mainly cutting cardboard, opening letters, quick cuts here and there. I'm not gonna, take it and cut a tree with it or something like that. Nothing crazy, but yeah, I definitely gather some feedback and share with you guys. In the close position, right, here's how it stacks up next to the Paramilitary 2. Here's how it stacks up next to the Smock, right? All Spyderco knives right there. Okay, and yeah, let's open them up and see what they look like in the open position. Of course, the Para 3 is a more EDC, or I guess daily friendly one, because it's smaller, right? It's smaller, therefore lighter, but again, that is your preference. That is totally your preference. There it is, right? Definitely the Paramilitary 2 is going to be bigger for sure. And then there's the Smock. Smock, of course, has a different blade shape, but it is in the Spyderco family. So there you are, a nice quick comparison of all three so you guys can see for yourself. You probably are more of a PM2 fan, you're probably more of a Para 3 fan, but I mean, they're so popular, these knives are so well known, I had to have both, right? As a serious knife or EDC YouTuber and looking to grow my knife collection, right? I just had to have them. And they both come in the CPM S30V VN. I'm excited for that. Yeah, check out the unboxing on this Smock as well. I definitely like this shape a lot. Kind of looks like a axe/machete all in a pocket knife. So I'm super excited about EDC in this guy as well. But yeah, before my hand catches a cramp, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and fold these away. You guys kind of get the idea there. You can pause the video if you want. Again, if you made it this far, you guys are the real MVPs. You guys know the drill. Quick unboxing with some quick thoughts, quick impressions. And yeah, look for the review coming up here on the channel very soon. By the way, guys, a lot of people keep asking in the comments, what are these things right here in the top left corner of your videos? Right, those King of Hearts and Ace of Spades. All right, those guys have been hanging out up there over the last couple of videos in the channel. But what are they, or what really are they, right? So just gonna give you guys a quick overview. I'll be making a separate video on these, but just so you know, links will be in the description for these. These are fidgety pocket toys, if you will, or pocket coins. Of course, this channel is all about EDC, right? So this will be a fidgety pocket coin, if you will, something that you get a chance to play around with in your pocket, right, alongside with you know, all the other things that you carry on a daily basis. And this is what they do, right? Listen to this sound. Right, if that's not satisfying, I don't know what is. But I can see myself doing this over and over again and never getting tired of that sound. Check out this guy. Let me swap hands. I am right-handed. All right, King of Hearts. All right, this one is like a rose gold. This is like a gold. This one is all in silver, right? You could do it both-handed. How about that, right? But again, if you haven't checked these out, guys, these are very addicting. I'm glad I have two of them. I got this one originally. My wife ended up taking it away from me because she liked it so much. So she ended up keeping the Ace, and then I ordered me the King of Hearts here so I could have, you know, a little bit of a variety, right? And yeah, they've been in the top corner there. If you haven't already, check these out. I mean, they are super addicting to open and close. They're nice. Another addition to your EDC, right? Something that you will carry on a daily, right? You can fidget with them, right? It can help you with anxiety and things like that. This is what the back looks like on both of them, right? And again, they're held by magnets. Without going too much in detail, those magnets right there are doing all the work. And that's where you get the awesome clicking sound every time you open and close. Again, links for these in the description, you guys, so check them out. Let me know what you think. All right, and yeah, add them to your EDC collection, because I mean, they are totally worth it. They are super awesome. And if you made it this far into the video, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace. The unboxing video on the paramilitary military. What is military? Military, really? Military? Come on. So yeah, if you prioritize your lanyard, if you prioritize your lanyard,